Shahina, welcome back.
Hello. Okay.
Okay, Shahina, these are just revision, okay? On purpose, I just slowed down so that you have time to do your past homework. So now you are doing 1 CDE.
No.
Okay.
DEF, I think.
DEF, yeah, I think
DEF.
so, yes. Because I send you.
C, DEF.
All right, ABC already finished. So now you are doing DEF.
Yeah.
Okay. Try to finish DEF. I think questions are so easy. You already done this.
Yeah.
If possible, also try to finish GHI. Okay. And review questions 1. Maybe we'll do together on Friday. Okay. Good. I mean, Shahina, in this way, see, it's much better. Okay, I will send all this homework once again so that I leave enough space when you do on the paper. Also, it's easy for you. Also, it's easy for me to grade and also for our discussion. Very good.
Okay.
So let's get back to this question. So we were talking about integers. So now at least you have some idea when we say natural numbers, right? Let me just write here. We have, all right, number 1, we talk about natural numbers. So what are these? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply the numbers that we use to count the number of objects or people. Okay? So that we call this natural numbers. Another name is counting numbers. And second one is, how about whole numbers, Shahina, only if you add 0, right, to this. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3. These numbers are called whole numbers. The only difference is this whole numbers also it has 0, but natural numbers it doesn't have 0. So now we are talking about, what is it? Integers. So that is, we are just extending to other side because also in real life we use negative numbers, right? For example, let's say the temperature someplace it is 0. How about the temperature less than 0? How do you describe this? To describe the temperature less than 0, we use negative numbers, right? The temperature above 0, we use positive numbers, for example. And also, for example, let's say sea level. And how about the depth of the sea or ocean? How do you describe this? We use negative numbers. Above the sea level, we use positive numbers. Anyway, we will see them in examples. That's a number line. These questions are very easy. I know this. We'll just do revision. Draw a number line to represent the integers. Now, how to do that? We have 4 numbers. Immediately, we have to draw a number line here. That's our number line. If you want, you can just put here 0. So 6, we know this positive, right? It's to the right of 0. It's somewhere here, 6. 8 is greater than 6, so it is somewhere here. And how about -2, -4? -2 comes first. Here we have -2. So here we have -4. So we have drawn a number line for this, and all numbers are here. And how about question B? That is question A. Question B, greater than -3. What numbers are greater than 3? -3, all numbers to the right of this number, right? So here, of course, we don't have to write all these numbers. Right here, -3, and here we have -2, and -1, and 0, 1, dot, dot. These numbers are all, what is it? Greater than -3.
-3.
Very good. Now, another thing, we have absolute value of an integer. Okay, when you say absolute value of integer, we mean that how far a number is from 0. Simply, what is it? When you say that absolute value of an integer, we mean what is the distance between that integer and 0. Okay, for example, if you just take -2 here, let's say here we have 0 here we have -2, and here we have 2. Now, what is the distance between -2 and 0, for example? That is 2 units, right? And how about the distance between 0 and 2? Also, it is 2 units. And that's why when we just write here, usually we use these 2 vertical lines, absolute value of -2. That 2 vertical lines means absolute value of -2 means how far is this number from 0. That is 2 units away, right? And how about 2? It is also 2 units away. As you see here, absolute value of an integer is always positive. Why? Because it means a distance from 0. Actual distance is always positive. And how about absolute value of 0 is equal to 0? Because the distance between 0 and 0 is equal to 0. One simple example about absolute value. Given the integers -8, 9, and -20, arrange the integers in ascending order. It means that from the smallest to the biggest. Which one is the smallest, Shahina, here?
-20.
-20. And
-8 and 9.
-8 and 9.
9.
Why? Because -20 is less than -8, less than 9. Find the absolute values of the integers. What is the absolute? Let me just write here. What is the absolute value of -8?
8.
8. And how about the absolute value of 9?
9.
It is 9. Absolute value of -20?
20.
20. It's always positive, right? Just you are ignoring the sign. Arrange the absolute values of the integers in descending order. So absolute values of these numbers. What are these? That is 8, 9, 10. Descending order
It's
means from the
20.
largest to the smallest, right? So you can just write it like this. Absolute value of -20, right? Is next one is absolute value of 9,
9.
and the absolute value of
Absolute value
-8.
of -8.
Why? Because this one is 20 is 20 is greater than 9. Actually, we have 9, and it is 8. Good. Okay. So now let's do these questions quickly. It's about negative numbers and the positive numbers. Okay. Shahani, just read it and tell me the answer. I'll write it for you.
Okay, copy and
Can you read louder?
oh yeah. Copy and complete the following. A. An ascent of -20 meters means a descent of blank meters.
20 meters, right? Why? Because opposite. Ascent of -20 meters means it's going down. So descent of
It's
20
going up.
meters. That means it's going down, right? Okay. B.
A clockwise rotation of -90 degrees means an anti-clockwise rotation of blank degrees. 90
degrees. Why? Clockwise rotation of -90 means clockwise, but negative, opposite direction, right? It's anti-clockwise rotation of 90. Okay, C.
Walking 9 kilometers from east to west means walking blank kilometers from west to east.
9 kilometers from west to east. All right.
They're the same distance.
2.
Copy and complete the following. A. If -6 represents 6 meters below sea level, then +6 represents 6 meters above sea level.
Above sea level, right? That's we should write here above sea level. All right. B.
If +40 represents depositing, how do you?
Depositing, okay.
Oh, depositing. And in the bank, then the withdrawal of $35 is.
What is it? -35, right? Withdraw means you are getting money. So your account actually, how to say, we are just subtract that number from your account because we're just taking out from your account. All right.
Yeah.
C.
If +60 degrees represents rotation of 60 degrees clockwise, then -30 degrees represents of anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Very good. Anti-clockwise. Good. D.
If +45 represents a speed of 45 kilometers per hour of a car moving to the east, then -45 represents
a speed of 45 kilometers per hour of a car moving to the west.
Oh.
Opposite directions, right? Because here we have one is moving this
yeah.
direction, that is east, that one is west. If this one is, let's say we are 0, if you just say that whoever is moving to the east, if you take it as a positive, and who is moving to the west, we should take it as negative.
Negative.
Okay.
Okay.
Question 3.
Suppose time is measured in years and 0 stands for the year 2000. A. What number stands for the year 1999? 9?
9.
I'm confused.
Here it says that suppose time is measured in years and 0 stands for the year. Here we have 0, right? But it stands for 2000. And where is 1999?
Like a year away.
Okay, so what
A
number
year
is it?
before. 1999. Wait, I'm
-1,
confused. Oh, negative.
right?
Oh.
If you just move 1 year back, right? So we will have 1999. What is it? It's at -1. Because here it's 0 actually stands for the year 2000. Okay? And how about what number stands for the year 2020?
That is positive 20.
Okay, it's somewhere here, right? That is 20. So that stands for 2020. And what number stands for the year 1996?
-4.
-4. Here it is -4. That is 1996. Okay.
Okay, I get it now.
Good. These are very easy questions. You just tell me, I'll write here. Put the correct sign, less than or greater than, between each pair of temperatures below. All right.
-4 degrees is less than 4 degrees.
Very good. B.
-13 degrees is less than -5 degrees.
That's correct. C.
-3 degrees is greater than -4 degrees.
Okay. D.
8 degrees is greater than -2 degrees.
Okay. E.
-1 degrees is less than 5 degrees.
All right. F.
-20 degrees is less than -19 degrees.
Very good. When you also do this kind of questions, you should just be similar to this. 5.
Yeah. Translate each of the following into mathematical statements either using less than or greater than sign. A temperature is -5 degrees is cooler than temperature of 12 degrees.
Okay. So we need to write mathematical statement, right? What should I write here?
-5 degrees is less than 12 degrees.
All right. B.
A gain of $200 is better than loss of 120. Okay. That is $200 is greater than 120.
All right. C.
A depth of 40 meters below sea level is lower than a depth of 25 meters below sea level. 40 meters.
So 40 meters below sea level. How do you write it? -40, right?
Oh, yeah.
Because below sea level, it is negative. Above sea level, it is positive. The sea level, we take it as 0. It says a depth of 40 meters below sea level is lower, right? It's actually here, if we have sea level, here it is 0. You're just moving down, right? So this one is 40 meters below, and here we have 25 meters. Which one is deeper? This one is deeper, right? So we don't write 40 is greater than 25. So -40 is less than -25 because that is deeper. Okay. Question 6.
Arrange the integers in each group of ascending order. Does that mean it's greater to least or
ascending
least to
means
greatest?
from the smallest to the greatest, right?
Smallest to greatest. Okay. 0.
What?
Wait. Smallest to greatest? Oh, smallest to greatest. Oh,
Yeah.
negative 90. Negative 90. Negative 60. Negative 6. Negative 2 and 0.
Very good. B.
And that's negative 1,500. Negative 1. 1 and 2.
Very good. Okay, Shahana, these things you can do that. I will skip question 7. All right. And let's do question 8. Fill in the boxes with greater than or less than.
A is greater than negative 8.
Okay.
Negative 11 is less than negative 6.
Okay.
0 is greater than negative 2.
Okay.
Negative 12 square. Hold on. 12 square. Negative 12 square is greater than negative 200.
Okay. This kind of question first, actually, you need to show your work. Why is it so? Negative 12 squared is 144, right?
144. Yeah.
So that's why it is greater than negative 200. And that's
200.
why it is greater than. Very good. How about this thing? Also, you need to show your work here.
Oh,
What is
okay. So
64?
8. That's
8. And here, what is cubic root of 125? That means that what number's cube equals 125? It is 5, right? Because 5 times 5 times 5
times
equals
5.
125.
120.
And that is 5 cubed. So now here we have negative 8 and 5. Which one is greater?
Negative 8. Oh, no. 5. 5
Okay,
is.
negative 8 is less than 5. Okay. How about F?
F, negative 20. That's going to be negative 9.
Are you
And
sure? Why negative 9, Shahina? What is cube root of, first answer this, what is cube root of 27?
9.
Again,
Okay.
why?
Wait. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27.
So?
I'm confused.
3.
Oh.
Why? Because 3 cubed, right? That is 3 times 3 times 3. That is equal to 27.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay. And what is cube root of 64, Shahina?
That's, what was it? 4 times. Hold on.
4. Because 4 cubed means 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64.
Oh, yeah.
So what is cube root of 125?
That is 5.
5, because 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. But here it is negative 27, right? So here negative 3 cubed. What is it? Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3, 9. 9 times negative 3, negative 27. Then this cubic root of negative 27 equals negative 3. And how about here we have minus? What is square root of 16?
That is 8.
Again, you make the same
Oh,
mistake.
4.
Again.
Negative
It's
4.
4. Because 4 squared is 16, right?
Oh, I was thinking of addition. Oh, no.
So this thing equals negative 3. This thing equals negative 4. So tell me, which one should I put? Is greater than or less than?
Negative 3 is greater than negative 4.
So that's why actually this thing, cube root of negative 27 is greater than minus square root of 16. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Now, Shahina, we talk about addition of integers. Okay, to do this one, Shahina, what are the possible things? We have only 4 possibilities, right? Here, when we are adding, maybe we add positive number with positive number, right? Or you add positive number with negative number. Or you add negative number with positive number. And the last one is maybe you add negative number with negative number.
Negative number.
In both cases, with positive, we have no problem. You just add it, right? And how about adding positive with negative? Okay, to do this one, Shahina, for example, let's say 5 plus negative 7. Okay, what does addition mean actually? We need to subtract means on the number line. If I just give one example, here we have 5, right? Adding negative 7 means I need to move 7 units to the left, right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we have here we have negative 2.
Oh.
Okay. So first, my suggestion is, if this number is greater than, first remove the brackets. 5 plus times minus, we know that it is minus. That is 5 minus 7. Okay.
That's negative
so
2.
now, which one is greater? 7 is greater. So opposite signs, right? So just big numbers sign and subtract because their sign is opposite. 7 minus 5, it is 2. And how about negative plus positive? Similar. For example, negative 7 plus 5. So if we are adding 2 numbers but opposite signs, so we always subtract and put bigger numbers sign. So here big number is 7. So I know that now the answer will be minus. So ignore the sign. Now just subtract smaller number from the big number. 7 minus 5, it is 2. And how about negative number plus negative number? If the signs are same, we add. If signs are opposite, then we subtract. So here we have, let's say, negative 5 plus negative 7 plus negative 5. 2 negative numbers, just we need to add. Minus 7 plus 5, it is 12. Right?
Okay.
So now can you tell me, Shahina, what is negative 3 plus negative 8? What is it? Negative, it will be negative.
Negative 11.
11. How about this one? Negative 71 plus negative 43.
That is 114. Negative 114.
Very good. Example 14. How about minus 6 plus 18? Signs are opposite, right? So we subtract. 18 is greater, so it will be plus.
That'll be 12.
12. Because here, Shahana, you can use this rule. You know, we know that A plus B is equal to B plus A, right? So here, minus 6 plus 18, we can write it as 18 minus 6. So that's equal to 12. How about here? This one is positive and this one is negative, right? So we subtract. Which one is greater? 68 is greater. So we will put here minus. 68 minus 23.
That will be that's 55.
45.
Oh, 45.
Right? Just immediately 68, 23, it is 5 and 4, 45.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we have brackets. Question A, as you know, the Shahina, when we do actual dealing with brackets, we have to do the innermost brackets first, right? So first step, I will simplify this one. Second step, I will simplify this one. Third step, we will simplify these two things. Okay, so let's just write this. What is negative 5 plus negative 9?
That is Negative 14.
Negative 14. Okay, we are done with this. Plus, what is 16 plus negative 21?
That is 5.
5 or negative 5?
Negative 5.
It's
Wait,
negative
no,
5
5.
because 21 is greater, right? It's negative 5.
Oh, okay. So
Because Shahina,
14.
always if you subtract big number from small number, it will be negative.
Oh, yeah.
Because this thing means, here we have, if you remove the brackets, plus times minus, it is minus 21. You're subtracting big number from smaller number. So that's why it will be minus 5.
Okay.
Okay, now equals, what is negative 14 plus negative 5?
That is negative 19.
That's correct. How about this one? We'll do step by step. Negative 13 plus 14.
That is negative 27.
Why? This minus, this
What?
is plus. Why are you adding? Look, Shahin, I can write this negative 13 plus 14. Using that property, I can just write this 14 minus 13, which is equal to 1.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see it.
So here we have
I see my
1
mistake.
plus times minus, minus 7. What is 1 minus 7?
That's negative 6.
Negative 6. Good. Okay, Shahina, now you should do fast, okay? You have no right to make any mistake. Very easy questions. Minus 5 plus 13.
Negative 18.
What is it?
Negative 18.
Oh, yeah. Think again.
Wait.
That means
Negative
13
18.
minus 5, which is equal to 8.
8. Oh, 8. Oh, okay.
Okay, minus 11 plus 19.
That is, that's 8, right?
8,
8.
because this one is greater. Signs are opposite. We always subtract. 19 minus 11, it is 8. Okay, 14 plus minus 7. So first, actually, in this question, first you need to remove the brackets. 14, what is plus minus? Minus, right? Minus 7. Now 14 minus 7, 7. That's it. Also here, 23 plus minus, it is minus 12. 23 minus 12.
That's 11.
11 equals minus 37 plus 22.
That's 59.
You make the same mistake again.
What? 37 plus 22.
This is negative number. This is positive number.
Oh, we subtract.
Subtract, and 37 is greater. It is sign is minus, so we put minus here.
Oh, so that's 16.
Shahina, one thing you can just do like this. Look, this 37. Take this minus out. Minus out means minus 1 out. What is that here? 37. If minus is out, here we have minus 22, right? If you remove the brackets, minus 37 minus minus, it is plus 22. As you see here, minus 37 minus 22, what is it? 15. So it is minus 15.
15.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. What is minus 45 plus 19?
Hold on. Okay. 45 plus 19. Subtract that. Negative 26.
That's correct. Negative 26. How about G?
Negative 66 plus 25.
First, we need to remove the bracket, Shahina, right? 25 plus minus, it is minus 66. So this is positive number, this is negative number, so we should subtract. This one is greater, it will be minus. 66 minus 26?
Negative 41.
40.
Oh, negative.
6,
Wait.
6, right? 6 minus 6 is 0.
But it's
6
negative
minus 2 is 4.
It's 25, not 26. So,
Oh, it's 25. I
yeah.
see. I see. I'm sorry. I thought it's 26. So it's 25. So the answer is 41.
41. Negative 41.
Negative 41. Okay. Next.
74. Alright, so that's negative 89 plus 74.
So we can write it as 74 minus 89, right? Equals, this is greater, it will be minus 89 minus 74.
That is negative 15. Negative 15.
Good. The last question.
That is, okay. 200 minus 101, that is 99. Negative
Yes.
99. So that's negative 99, right?
Yeah. Because 200 is greater, its sign is minus, right? It is opposite sign, so we subtract. Okay, now we have 3 numbers. Shahina, let's have a look how many numbers we have, okay? All right, not much. Let's finish this, okay? Then we'll finish our class. Only 3 questions. If you do faster, we'll finish our class faster.
Okay.
Okay, Shahina, you just speak and calculate and tell me the answer. I will just write whatever you say. But here, Shahina, do these questions in 2 steps, okay? First, add, simplify these 2 numbers, then add the result to this number, okay? 2 steps.
Alright,
so what is minus 7 plus minus 11?
That is negative 16. No, 18.
Okay, here we have 9. So what is now negative 18 plus 9?
Negative 27.
Ay.
Wait,
it is
18,
plus,
18.
minus, opposite signs.
Oh, okay. 18 plus that's 9? No.
Negative 9.
Yeah, negative 9. Okay.
Right? Good.
Yeah.
Next. Negative 10 plus 17.
That is 20, negative 27.
Again, why are plus? It is minus.
That's 10. There's 7.
7. And plus minus, that is minus 21.
Minus 21.
What is 7 minus 21?
14. Negative 14.
Negative 14. Don't scare me. Okay,
Negative
next.
14.
34 plus negative 18.
So that'll be minus 18. That's 34 minus 18.
First, if you clear the brackets, what we have here? 34 plus minus, that is minus 18. Plus
so
9.
16
34 minus 18.
9.
16 plus 9. Then? Oh, Shahina, just do it mentally.
25.
16 plus 9, 25. Okay, next. 81 plus
81
negative
minus,
6.
81 minus 6, so that's what? It's 75.
75 plus minus 62. What is it?
75 minus 62, that's 13.
13, correct. E.
51 plus 14, okay, that is 65.
65. And plus minus is minus hundreds. All right.
That is 100 minus 35. 35, yeah.
35 or minus 35?
Negative 35, negative 35.
Negative 35. Shahina, don't make this mistake. It was a piece of cake
Okay.
for you. Equals, yes.
37 plus 71, okay. So that is 27 plus 71. Okay, that is 44.
44
right? 44 plus
plus
12.
12 equals?
That is 4 plus 12. That's 56.
Okay, good. So now we have also 3 steps. First, simplify this, right? Simplify this, then add them together. What is negative 7 plus negative 14?
Oh, wait, that's 7, right?
Oh, Shahina, this negative
Wait,
number,
hold
negative
on.
number.
So oh, negative. Okay.
We are adding 2
That's
negative
negative
numbers.
27. Negative
So
27.
it is, what is it?
Negative 27.
27 or 21?
Oh, negative 21.
Negative 21 plus, how about negative 45 plus 92?
Plus 92. That is 47.
47.
So negative 21 plus 47. 21 plus 47, that is 26.
That is correct. Thank God. That's good. Okay, now tell me, Shahina, here, because we have brackets, right? First, we need to do this one first, second, this, third, we just add them together.
Yeah.
31 plus negative 48. What is it?
1 plus negative 48. Negative 48, that equals to negative 17.
Negative 17, that's correct. Plus, how about this? Negative 16 plus negative 120.
Negative 16 plus negative 120 equals negative 136.
Very good. Here we have negative 136. So Shahina, never write these two operations next to each other, right? If you have plus minus, one of them you need to write in brackets. Good.
Yeah.
So negative 17 plus negative 136.
17 plus negative 136. That is 153. Negative 153.
Negative 153. Very good. Shahina, we have 2 questions left, okay? Let's do it and finish this class. Read question 3.
The temperature of piece of meat was negative 8 centimeters. When
Degree
it was taken,
Celsius.
oh, degrees Celsius.
Okay.
When it was taken out of the freezer, after several minutes of warming, its temperature rose by 17 degrees Celsius. What's the new temperature of the piece of meat?
Okay. Can you do that? Did you understand the question?
A little. I have to read it again, though.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So that's basically negative 8 minus 17.
Minus or plus?
Plus
It's
17.
increasing, right?
Oh, yeah, plus.
You're warming. So it is plus 17. So what is it?
8 plus 17. That's 9. That's 9.
9. So that is 9 degrees Celsius. So that means that the new temperature of the meat is, what is it? 9 degrees Celsius. Very good. The important thing is understanding the problem. All right. Question 4, the last question.
A company's profit and losses for the first quarter of a certain year are shown below. January $6,000, February $2,000.
Profit, right?
Loss.
Also read
Profit.
this. Profits.
profit.
What is profit?
February,
Profit means
it's
plus.
at plus.
And February
Addition.
loss means you're losing money, right? Because you need to pay
Minus.
from your pocket. That is minus.
Minus.
And March, 5,500, again, you lost money. So that is
So it's
minus.
minus.
Okay, question A.
Translate the company's performance for the first quarter into mathematical statement. B. How much profit or loss did the company make in the first quarter? Did the company perform for the first quarter into mathematical statement?
Okay, it says translate the company's performance for the first quarter into a mathematical statement. Question A. So mathematical statement, here he made some profit in January and February loss. Profit means plus. Money is coming to your pocket, right? Loss means you are spending money from your pocket. So that is 6,000, right? You earn, and minus 2,000, you lost, minus 5,500. If you simplify this, that is 6,000 minus 2,000, 4,000. What is 4,000 minus 5,500?
Minus 2,000 minus 500, 5,500.
Okay, what is the final answer?
Equals negative 1,500. Is this right?
500, right? Okay,
Yeah,
negative 1,500.
1,500.
So we have translated the company's performance for the first quarter into a mathematical statement. That is how we translate. And we just simplify this. B, how much profit or loss did the company make in the first quarter? So we should just write here the company, right?
And
Made how much? It is minus, right? So it lost, right? So this company made $1,500 loss in the first, what is the first quarter of the year.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Shahina, that much is enough. As I told you, okay, you don't have to rush. All right, you're just 12 years old. You are not preparing for the university. But the important thing is understanding and learning, okay, and feeling relaxed, feeling confident, all right? So step by step now, you submitted homework 1A, B, C. So now you are doing D, E, F, if possible,
Yeah.
G, H, I. Try to finish if you can, all right? So when you have time, also do test number 4 during this week, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday. It's okay, no problem. But on this Sunday, you can do this. And also in this way, by doing tests, we are doing revision, okay? And as you see here, every test you are improving because I'm asking different questions, but you understand more and more. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, then see you on Friday, all right?
Yeah, and for DEF, I think I'll turn it in like today, because
All
it
right,
shouldn't
very
be
good.
hard.
Okay, good. Okay, bye-bye, Shahina.
Bye.